The future belongs to those who learn more skills and combine them in creative ways. Learning how to learn is life's most important skill. Tony Buzan. It's no secret that we live in a competitive world, but what you may not know is that acquiring skills is one of the easiest and fastest ways to ensure your success. What sets successful people apart is their ability to acquire new skills fast. That's because the skills you acquire now will help determine the type of work you do now and in the future. The key to becoming ridiculously successful is to learn how to acquire new skills so that when people see how good you are, they will just assume that you're naturally talented. So, how do you acquire invaluable skills in life? Learning. There's a famous saying, the more you learn, the more you earn. Learning is a treasure that will follow its owner everywhere. Learning is the most important currency, and anyone can be rich. And the faster you learn, the faster you earn. Sadly, most people don't see the importance of lifelong learning, especially after graduating from high school or college. Even if they want to learn something new, they have no idea where to start. They are desperate for a real solution in order to turn their life around. Want to learn a language? Learn to code? Play the guitar? Improve your marketing skills? Master SEO? Become more persuasive? Luckily, it's never too late to learn a new skill. There's a simple framework for learning anything twice as fast. In the next few minutes, I'm going to share the best resources I found for learning new skills and how you can easily apply these simple, fast learning tactics to catapult your life to a whole new stratosphere, while easily build a 6 to 7 figure self-help business empire at the same time by helping others succeed. Trust me, anyone who is into personal development will love what this transformational blueprint has to offer. Hi, this is Sean here, and on behalf of me and my partner Kelly, we would like to introduce you to our latest self-help PLR, and this PLR will definitely blow you away. We share a common mission, that is to help people like you to create a thriving business that you are passionate about, so you can create real freedom for yourself and live the life you truly desire with private label rights. With your permission, let me ask you this. Are you ready to 10 times your profit and catapult your business to a whole new level? If you answered yes, then you have finally reached the right place to skyrocket your business with almost zero effort on your part. Now. Not tomorrow, not in 12 months' time. Truth is, most online business owners give up just when they're about to make their next breakthrough. They quit on the 1-yard line, and I don't want you to be one of them. I'm going to show you how you can grab your slice from the $20 billion opportunity if you stick with me till the end. Here are some common myths when it comes to making money online. Nope. You don't have to be an expert. You don't have to be a tech geek. Heck, you don't even have to spend hours ransacking the entire internet on strategies to make money online, which most of them don't work. So what is the secret when it comes to building a long-term, profitable business? Think of all the top online business owners who are profiting at least 6 figures monthly. What do they have in common? They have their own product, courses, and that's how they built their brand. That said, the key to bringing your business to the whole new stratosphere is to have your own quality contents in the market, to the right audience, in the hottest niche, and at the right time. That's how you brand yourself as an authority figure and make your mark in your niche. However, product creation requires tons of hard work. The good news is I have a solution for you. What if I can provide you massive, high-quality content so you can dominate the self-help niche with ease? What if I can shortcut the entire product creation process for you, provide you a working business model so that you can start building your own lists and even generating sales right away? What if I do all the market research, handle all the stress and hard work for you, so that all you need to do is sit back, relax, and watch your business grow? Today, I'm going to give you full access to a brand new 100% unique product that you can sell to keep 100% of the profits. Introducing Fast Learner Blueprint with full unrestricted PLR rights. This is one of the biggest untapped topics in self-help. This PLR blueprint reveals the secrets to learn any skill twice as fast. This guide will teach you everything you need to know about the most efficient methods to learn anything fast. 10 remarkable traits of successful learners. Easy hacks to speed up the learning process. The surprising role of sleep, rest, and diet for better memory retention. Powerful tactics to boost your brain power. And much more waiting to be uncovered inside. Ultimately, this is your customer's go-to self-help guide to those who are 100% committed to learn new skills faster and stay at the top of their game. One massive blueprint jam-packed with valuable information that your customers would thank you for. All with full, unrestricted private label rights. You can sell for 100% profits, edit the content, rebrand, be the author, put your name as the author, give away your list, membership site, build and grow your own membership site, feed your blog, repurpose the product and do whatever you want that fits your marketing needs, and so on. The choice is ultimately yours. Look, you're not looking at some crappy, scammy, third-rate business opportunity here. Our team and I have worked hard to ensure that you'll get a complete, well-researched, and highly in-demand PLR package with full sales funnel, with impeccable content and beautiful graphics so that you can easily make a killing online. We've literally done all the heavy lifting for you. You get a total of 10 big modules for the entire package. That includes the complete checklist, mind map, DFY high-converting sales page and thank you page, hypnotizing video sales letter, DFY email swipes, the entire graphic vault and license certificates. Also, you will get your exclusive 4,000-word The 7 Types of Learners, find out which one you are, special report, alongside with done-for-you landing page to build your list and even pre-sell right from the get-go. That's a full-blown PLR package right there that saves you tremendous amounts of time and money if you choose to outsource the whole thing. In other words, you don't have to waste your time on niche research. You don't have to burn thousands of dollars on expensive copywriters or graphic designers. You don't have to drive yourself nuts with endless content creation. Really now, producing your own content can take up a lot of free time that can otherwise be spent on other things like affiliate marketing, coaching programs, or closing high-ticket sales. Why start everything from scratch when you can have a high-quality, done-for-you product at your disposal? And if you act today, you'll also score some fast action bonuses. This is for a limited time only, so if these bonuses are still listed below, you're still in time. Now, for an extremely limited time, we're offering this complete PLR package for far less than the lowest price of any PLR product you can see out there. Don't let the extremely low price fool you though. One of the core principles of our business is to make sure that you get the best value from us. So, for a very limited time, we're giving away our top PLR package with high converting materials at basement price. I want to keep my promise to you that you can get everything you see on this page for an extremely affordable investment. Special discount only applies during this launch exclusive. Once the timer hits 0, the price will be radically increased. No ongoing fees or monthly fees. One unbelievable low price for a full-blown PLR package with exceptional contents, fully integrated with high-converting sales funnel, ready to generate you continuous profits from just one sale. Now, even a no-brainer knows that this is a golden opportunity that doesn't come often. If you're afraid of getting stuck with another poor-quality PLR, remember that you're backed by our rock-solid 30-day money-back guarantee. We are so convinced that this is the best investment you could ever make that we are going to take all the risk away from you at this very moment. Really now, there's no way you can lose with this 100% winning deal if you act today. So why wait? Click on the order button below. Let Fast Learner Blueprint PLR build the online freedom that you always wanted.